Bula everyone, Baron Bruno at Professionals FIJI Real Estate in front of Nandi Bay. Gorgeous. Look at this. Ocean front. You've been dreaming about it. You've been sitting at home. You've been scouring the internet. You found this video and you want an oceanfront home. We've got it right here for you. Look, I even got you a nice little shell. Let's have a look at this 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, huge, luxurious, newly built home, only a few years old, and everything opens up. It is just spectacular. Let's go have a look. You can see the sun is about to set. Great grass areas here. Sitting anywhere and everywhere at this place. Just open concept, lots of natural light. Here is the chef's kitchen. If you love to cook, or like me, watch my wife cook because she's incredible, this is a great place to do that. Because you can be in your kitchen and then look, you can entertain your friends here, and even when they're sitting there on the beach, maybe they'll pull up in their jet ski. This is one of the great areas to watch Netflix, TV, enjoy the sounds of the ocean. Come on, let's come with me here. This is one of the wings of the house. This is a bedroom off the waterfront there. You can hear the waves where we just came from. This is cool because it's got a mini fridge. It's got that little sink, loads of storage, and all these great shutters. Look at all that natural light coming through. This is tropical paradise right here. Lots of storage. Okay, so that's just bedroom 1, and with the ensuite. This is a second area where you can do movie night. And if you've got kids, this is a really cool playroom area right there. This is will accommodate, again, really nice large families. And yes, occasionally we have to do some work. So we've got a great little office space here. And they put in a nice safe and great built-ins. And then you've got a bathroom here. So a second bathroom off the side. And again, great tile work here. You can just notice the finer details of this home. All those built-ins. Another bedroom, and you've got side access. Again, more storage. Big laundry room. Come have a look through this door. Yeah, just when you thought it wasn't good enough. Look at that. Man. Mountain views. Your own private swimming pool. This place is just cool, isn't it? I love this place. All right, let's go back down the hallway here, and we're gonna go back into the great room, and then we're gonna go to the other side of the house together. Here is that great room. Again, everything opens up, so you've got both sides. So to the right there, literally, you're on the sand, you're on the beach, you're collecting your seashells like that. And then on the other side, you got your swimming pool. So take your pick. If you got, some people don't like to swim in the ocean, they prefer the swimming pool. There you go. Some people are absolutely just love the ocean. You got it right there and you can hear it. Hear the water. It's so relaxing. This is your beautiful foyer entrance area. And let's go have a look again on this wing of the house. Another bedroom, bathroom, long, big shower. Just soak in there and take in the day. Half bath. Here's a really nice utility room, again, with more storage. So if you've got kids and lots of stuff you want to bring here to Fiji, this house is going to accommodate that really, really well. And this is the other bedroom that's facing the water. And you can hear those waves hitting that sand. So tranquil and peaceful. So again, to find out more about this home, go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at the magic number +679 999 2051. And you can see all of our listings. And if you're especially interested in this one, just say, Baron, we want to check out that home in Naisoso that you have listed at 7,000 a month Fijian or 3.8 million Fijian dollars, because this, my friends, is where you want to be. We're so excited to hear from you. Give us a call, send us a text or email. Stay happy, and we look forward to seeing you here enjoying the Fiji life. Vanaka!